Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. Current pidgin and is now they do. I don't know whether you don't see the new Super Eagles list where Coach Gernot Rohr don't release. Well, in case you never see that list, no worry, at the end of the video you go see that particular one. But me I dey think this morning, it be like say Coach Gernot Rohr no get in particular 23-man list. Because every time when Nigeria won't play competition, you go just see new name for the list, new name for the list, new name for the list. It can't be like admission list. We say every time you go see new name, every time you go see new name. I dey wonder when Coach Gernot Rohr go get in particular starting 23-man. We be say we know say that these people now go start. Some days you go see Mikel Agu, he go dey the list. After like 6 months, you no go see Mikel Agu for the list again. You go see him again after some time for the list. I dey wonder then why Mikel Obi no dey play when Coach go tell us why Mikel no dey play. And why it be say the players when they play for local league, all this saying by them, Rivers United, Academy Warriors, which day they go, they begin the command starting role for Coach Gernot Rohr, that 23-man list. Now that one I want to know this morning.